Alright guys, welcome to the video. This time I'm testing the iPhone 14 with the Xiaomi 13 video. And as the tests showed yesterday from the Xiaomi 13 and the S22 Ultra, we got quite a few interesting results, specifically indoors. A lot of people mentioned the fact that because the video of the S22 Ultra was a bit darker, it gives you the feeling that more detail is captured. Though I think one might challenge this. And then outdoors I think it's quite clear the fact that the Xiaomi was struggling with the HDR, not able to capture all the details from the sky blending with the clouds. But okay, right now I have the iPhone 14 and the Xiaomi 13 guys, and I'm gonna ask you to guess which is which. So which video do you think belongs to the iPhone 14 and which video belongs to the Xiaomi 13? Alright, you still have 10 more seconds to guess. Make your choice. If you want to pause the video, put your comments down below. And now I'm going to reveal. Alright, in my left hand I have the iPhone 14, and on my right hand I have the Xiaomi 13 guys. The footage here in indoors footage, 4K 60 FPS video. Pay attention to all the details, but please also do pay attention on the quality of the sound. So it's very important that we do also see the sound quality. Okay, do you think that the sound quality is better on the Xiaomi 13 video or the one that is indeed in the iPhone 14? A very short test on the front camera indoors, 4K 60 on the iPhone 14, and sadly only FHD 30 FPS on the Xiaomi 13 guys. What I can see in the viewfinder is really absolutely better on the iPhone 14, though sometimes the end results prove to be a bit different, but I can still see that the Xiaomi 13 is struggling with the HDR. See here guys, it's not able to expose well the elevate, and this is just me judging from what I see on the viewfinder. Okay, so this is not looking so good. Let me try to do also a slow run. Alright, and now continue with our tests. Alright guys, it's now time for the outdoor test. Xiaomi 13 in my right hand and the iPhone 14 in my left hand. I'll stop very quickly for you to be able to judge the HDR. Today it's a bit better compared to yesterday's video between the S22 Ultra and the Xiaomi 13, because we have a bit more blue in the sky, which really will help us test the HDR processing. Alright, I'm just gonna do guys a slow pan right now for you to be able to capture and also compare the details. So please let me know what you think down below in the comments. Interesting for me to see that the crop on the Xiaomi 13 is really bigger, so I'm getting less details in terms of size in my Xiaomi 13, although of course it's 4K, and I'm getting really more, just a far bigger crop here on the Xiaomi 13 than the one on the iPhone 14. That's just an interesting detail. I'm recording 4K 60 FPS guys, and I am going to do now a slow run towards this tree to see the stabilization, and I really pray I'm not gonna fall down. Today sadly not so much snow, a bit more mud, but anyway, I'm outside and it's still freezing, but still yesterday there was a request for me to do this video and I have the phone, so why not? Alright guys, take a look and appreciate all the details guys. We have a bit of a green, we have a bit of a blue in the sky, also white. So what we're looking here is just comparison, and I do realize that the footage is good on both phones, but of course it's still also subjective. So I showed the comparison video yesterday to some folks and they told me that they liked the brighter footage, but have in mind that brighter footage not always mean better quality, but at the end it doesn't really matter. It's just up to the people what they like. Okay guys, now see the stator here, and I'm gonna run towards it to test the stabilization. Okay, and I'm gonna do a quick pan just to see what will happen in the viewfinder. Wow, the iPhone viewfinder really remains stable, but I think iPhone is clear guys, probably one of the best video in a mobile device. One more run here against the tree, there's stabilization. Alright, and now it's time for the custom stabilization test. So I'm just shaking the phones in my hands. Alright, up and down, okay, and now shaking them as well. Alright, oh good. Alright, that's enough. Now let's move to the next test. Testing the Udroid here Still 4K 60 on the iPhone 14, guys, and very sad, only 4K 30 FPS and also 4K 24 FPS cinematic on the Xiaomi 13. Alright, so I'm gonna skip the zoom test in this video for obvious reasons, but because I'm using the iPhone 14, so yeah, not so much of an optical zoom there. But it's really impressive that the iPhone 14 still has 4K 60 on the ultra wide. And also what is very interesting, in the viewfinder now it's probably almost the same what I can see, though of course the results on your screen 100% will vary. So let me know what you think down below. Is the footage on the ultra wide better for you from the iPhone 14, or the footage on the Xiaomi right is better? Okay, now let me just also try to do a slow run to test the stabilization. Okay, and now let's test the front camera. Another good surprise here, guys, the camera on my iPhone 14 records 4K 60 FPS. The Xiaomi really devastating, only FHD 30 FPS, and I'm not sure why Xiaomi is not upgrading this. Come on, 8 Gen 2, right? This probably can do 4K 60. Anyway, I just hope that someday Xiaomi will fix this. And now, guys, take a look at this. Is very interesting. You can see that the footage on the iPhone, the sky above me has colors. You can see blue, you can see gray and white. And on the Xiaomi, guys, you can just see, yeah, just a white sheet. So HDR process is not so good. The processing on the Xiaomi is really not great. And I can probably try to change this to see if I'm gonna get something better, but not. Okay, and see the iPhone really doing a better job. Okay, and now, yeah, now the sky is gone also on the iPhone, but still there is more detail in the dynamic range. Is really better. Let me do a slow run with both them phones, and also a slow pan that you can appreciate the details. Yeah, far more details in the sky, and wow. Yeah, see how much overexposed the crane here is. On the Xiaomi footage you can almost not see the crane, and on the iPhone footage it's there. Yep, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was it for this test. Please, you and your family stay safe. We'll see you over, and bye.